Maharashtra Congress leader Arif Naseem Khan has resigned from 3 different party committees, expressing dejection over the party not nominating a single Muslim candidate on the 48 Lok Sabha seats in the state. Now, writing a letter to AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge, he claimed that the Congress wants Muslim votes but might not field Muslim candidates. Now, Khan also said he won't be campaigning for any party candidate in the Lok Sabha elections, even as he has been named among the star campaigners.
एक पे भी उम्मीदवार अल्पसंख्यक समाज का नहीं दिए जाने से लोगों में बहुत रोष है। कल से बहुत सारे महाराष्ट्र के मुस्लिम संगठन के पदाधिकारी मुझसे मिले हैं, कांग्रेस के सभी लीडर्स और पदाधिकारी आकर मिले हैं। लोगों में गुस्सा है, नाराजगी है कि आखिर ऐसी क्या मजबूरी है जो 48 में एक भी जगह पे लोकसभा की उम्मीदवारी नहीं दी गई है।
My colleague Radhika joining us for more details. Radhika, now big blow to Congress as Naseem Khan, in fact, saying that he's not going to be campaigning for any of the leaders and stepping out of the committees. Also making a big allegation that the Congress has not fielded Muslim candidates but wants Muslim votes.
Certainly, this is a setback for the Congress party. In fact, Naseem Khan there expressing discontent over MVA not fielding any Muslim candidate, as you mentioned, for the Lok Sabha elections. Now, this is obviously been done by State Congress Working President Naseem Khan. He, in fact, telling our party President Mallikarjun Kharge that he was pulling out of campaigning and resigning from the campaign committee. He's written a letter to Mallikarjun Kharge saying that he will not campaign for the party candidates for the remaining phases of Lok Sabha elections. In fact, he has said that MDA has not nominated a single Muslim candidate in Maharashtra, which is 48 Lok Sabha seats, the highest after UP. In fact, he goes on to say many Muslim organizations, leaders, party workers from all over the state were expecting the Congress to nominate at least one candidate from the minority community, but that has not happened. And he says Congress speaks about wanting Muslim votes but does not want to field any Muslim candidates, and that he has no answers to the Muslims in Maharashtra who are raising the issue. Now, obviously, the Maharashtra Congress Working President Naseem Khan wasn't raised for a ticket from Mumbai North Central as well, but the party chose city unit president Varsha Gaikwad for the constituency. But what we are being told is that he has not quit from the party yet, but he's obviously pulled out of campaigning, and he's also, while pulling out of the campaigning, also has alleged that Congress has deviated from its long-held ideology of inclusivity.